Somebody touch my spaghetti!
Greetings, beautiful creatures. My name is Angel Nightmare. So today is another poor attempt at trying to recreate a meme on my face. So we're just going to take some foundation and just go around the outer parts of our head. I could have done something with black or something else, but the truth is I ran out of black makeup, so we're just going to go with this. I mean, I have a small amount and I have some more on the way coming from Amazon, so we just gotta wait on that to do some more crazy stuff. Okay, so now we're just gonna take some white makeup and we're just gonna draw that Vegeta hairline. You could probably do this with a light orange or a peach or a yellow or a pastel yellow or something, but I'm using white because that's all I got, and nobody ain't got time to be spending money on all this makeup. You just broke. Get a job. Come on, Angel, slightly further away from the mic. I ain't got time to be listening to you today. Oh, look at that. Your boy washed the brushes for once. So yeah, now that we're going to use a better brush, we're going to just fill this up to the best of our ability. But I'm going to actually attempt to try to mix some of this with my foundation so it's not so pure white. But I'm probably gonna cut most of that part out, so we're just gonna watch me fill this intersection in that kind of looks like you're wearing a Power Ranger helmet from like the 90s, like Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Go go Power Rangers! Oh, and you don't have to worry about making sure it's even, because we're gonna do these little hairs here. You know, just do some swiping stuff. You kind of look like almost like a Sonic character now. Like, what tutorial is this again? Going to show you the way. No, shut up. We're not doing that meme today. So yeah, pretty much what I'm doing here is, you know, giving it that kind of bare, furry texture. I didn't really have like a guide for this. I'm just looking at the cartoon character and trying to make my own little spin on it. Where does mother... Man, get your butt back here. Oh yeah, we need that powder. You know, we're gonna powder our face. We're not really powdering it so it's like a sheer white. We're just making it to where it's easier to apply makeup on top of it, since I'm going to be using a liquid black makeup. And to be honest, the black makeup in here, it's like from the lid. Like, this is literally like the last of the black makeup that I have left in this house. So hopefully that new black makeup comes, because I have a lot of ideas and I cannot do at the moment, and I'd be damned if I use some $11 eyeliner to do any extra stuff like this. Gotta save that for emergencies, you know? Now we're just doing our little bare nose, and we're going to do our best to go over this white. If I would have thought this out, I would have definitely not put any white makeup on my nose, because it would have been a more opaque black, but now it is gray because I mixed it with the white makeup. What is wrong with me? Why don't I think things through? Because you're stupid. Give up. I'm sorry guys, I'm just a little emotional today because somebody touching my spaghetti. Somebody touching my spaghetti. So doing underneath the eye, and I was gonna do hairs underneath the eye and the upper part of the face, and then decided that was a horrible idea because the cartoon's more like clean cut, and I was thinking this is probably gonna be too much work to make it look realistic, especially with the minuscule amount of black that I have left. So I'm going to actually remove those black lines under my eyes to the best of my abilities. And right now we're doing the eyebrows, which I'm just making some really bushy, angry eyebrows, and then now is where we erase our mistakes because we are indecisive. But if you're indecisive like me, that is a-okay. Do the best you can, because life is short, and you can do literally anything. Motivational. Also decided I want to fill in my upper lip because I wanted the line to be a little bit more dramatic, since I did make this look a little bit more dramatic, and I'm just going in with some black eyeshadow around my eye sockets to make myself look a little bit more angry, like somebody literally just touched my spaghetti.
Somebody touch my spaghetti!
This makeup look goes out to all those dudes who think they can touch my spaghetti. Think again, cause nobody touching my spaghetti. Anywho, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe, smack that bell button, and bite that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.